What's up, beautiful people? My name is Nicole Luna. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you all of my strategies on how you can turn a $100 UGC order, one little video, into a $500 UGC order and make more money with these upsell strategies every single time. I have been a full-time UGC content creator since September of 2022, and I have worked with over 350 brands now. And I've created over 1,000 UGC videos in every product and digital product category that you can think of. I make 90% of my UGC money from Fiverr, and I'm gonna link my profile below so that you can check it out. And I'm also gonna link the sign up link for Fiverr below if you haven't signed up on Fiverr to start getting inbounds from brands and starting your UGC journey. So go check out my Fiverr profile and make sure you sign up on Fiverr if you're ready to start your UGC journey. Anyway, I have learned so much on this UGC journey, and in today's video, I want to share with you 3 ways that you can upsell and make more money on every single order every single time. These upsell strategies are super simple and easy to implement, and you can implement them today in your pitches and your deliveries. I currently have 5 monthly retainer clients, and I still get about 10 to 30 inquiries every single day on Fiverr, and I've been making $8,000 plus every single month since October, and UGC has changed my entire life, and I want to help you change yours with UGC. So let's get into it. Number 1 upsell strategy is hook and call to action CTA variations. So let's say they ordered 1 video from you. The brand ordered 1 video. Well, you can say, hey, do you want me to do the same video, but add 3 different hook variations in the beginning, 3 different scroll stopping hooks to get the clients engaged? Or I can change up the ending and I can add 3 different CTA, 3 different call to actions at the end. And you can use these in your ad testing. So instead of just 1 video, you could actually end up having 6 videos if you did 3 different hooks, 3 different CTAs, and you could turn that 1 into a 6 video order. And believe me, the brand will be excited when you offer this. They always get very excited, and you can let them know that you are going to offer these so they can use more videos as for ad testing. And you can charge anywhere from $25, $50 to $100 per variation, whatever you feel that you're worth. The number 2 upsell strategy is UGC photos. Photos are such an easy way to upsell every single order. The client and the brand is already ordering the video from you. So you can also ask them either in the first pitch or at the delivery, would you also like me to deliver X amount of UGC photos with the order? So many brands, if they need the video, they're gonna also need some photos for their Instagram. You can offer UGC photos and make sure they're actually UGC photos and not product photos, like, all aesthetic. They're actually user-generated photos. And you can charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per photo. It's an amazing way to upsell, and the brands usually take it every single time. And lastly, the B-roll and the raw footage. Some brands call it B-roll, some brands call it raw footage. You'll hear this term come up a lot as you're on your UGC journey, but you say you're making one 15-second video. You probably are going to record anywhere from 5 to even 10 minutes worth of content to get all the clips for that 15-second video. So instead of just deleting all this extra footage off of your phone, you can offer it to the brand. Hey, I have 10 minutes worth of raw clips. I have 10 minutes worth of B-roll. You can offer this to them, and I usually charge the same price that I charge them for the video. So if you were delivering a $100 30-second video, you can offer this B-roll extra raw footage for $100 extra, and you can let them know that they can make hundreds of pieces of content from all of the clips that you got for them. And the brands also love this, and 9 out of 10 times they're going to say yes. If you implement all 3 of these add-ons with every order, you're already looking at a 3x, a 4x, a 5 times the order that they originally had. It's just up to you to put it out there, and the brands will be receptive to it, believe me. I hope I dropped a lot of gold into your ears and that you are so excited excited to implement these strategies, but I also have 7 other ways for you to maximize and make the most from each order. And if you're interested in getting the full guide with all 10 of my upsell strategies, I'm gonna link it below for you and you can grab it. The full upsell guide goes way more into depth and it will help you turn every single order into at least double, if not more. So thanks so much for joining me for today's video. You can tap the link in the bio to get the full guide, and I wish you all the success on your UGC journey in 2023. Until the next video.